Morning, YouTube and everybody, it's your boy James. Today's Wednesday, day vlog number 3. Excuse me, I went go-karting yesterday, and yeah, get a stuff stuck in my eye, so got out, but it's just swollen up, so it's gonna be like that. But today, it's beach day. Yesterday vlog was Tuesday, and the first day vlog was Monday, just like you guys know. I'm gonna upload it the next day because editing and uploading and of course doing a lot of stuff and stay up late, so let's go see what everybody's doing downstairs. I hear the noise maker down here. Marley, lady, watch out.
You ready already?
Oops. It's not that hard to change, Michelle. Just click. Whoop.
You're gonna be waiting a bit. Those girls are pretty slow.
Marley and lady. Oh, good boy. Yep. You need to stop acting like you're a puppy, Marley. You're not a puppy anymore. What's up, lady? Oh, quit, Marley. Marley. Yeah, let lady get some loving too. Got some hyper puppies. I'll make sure I throw the girls in the water for you. Just chuck them out. They're making them mad, Michelle.
I'm getting out of here.
Time to head to the beach. See how the Florida beach goes.
Yeah.
Such a nice Jeep. Make sure dog don't get out. Oh, that's an easy clean. Ah, my. I love this phone.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, cause look, the single and then do that, makes it wider.
Oh, that's cool.
It's the LG V20. Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Okay, it's Madison. I'm just kidding. Okay, Mackenzie. I'm kidding, Mackenzie. I know that's you. The music girl. Music girl about to jump in the car. I don't even bring my charger, so my phone lasts all day.
Really?
Mm-hmm. The barely wears out, so.
That's good.
I do have my old iPhone, but that battery dies too quickly. Oh, and there's the one who likes to listen to music a lot. Or she's like a pink person. Get the ship on the road. Oh.
You had to come right at 12 when it gets the most hot.
I know, so you guys take so long to get ready.
I was ready first.
Actually, I was ready for anybody else.
Oh, like.
Please keep off the dunes. Should have brought my other flip-flops from my house, but oh well. It's my comfortable flip-flops. They're ready to get messed up anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, wow.
It's like beach water.
That's a very small beach.
I just feel,
Oh, I got sand all over my short. Well, some sand on my shorts.
I just feel gritty everywhere.
And then girls are back there eating, snacking. That was fun.
That was fun.
Throwing seaweed at each other.
Now turn right.
You girls should be lucky we're at now at the pool, because I would have pushed you in and just thrown you in it too.
I would prefer the pool. I'm saying no sand.
They're gonna have sand. I'm just kidding. No. I can still throw you at the beach, but I'm not gonna be like that.
Turn left onto the.
Back from the beach. Back at my dad's, so had some storms, but we're alright. We had fun. So tonight, cooking some seafood. So gotta get ready. Alright, guys. Pretty much time to go to sleep. Pretty tired from today. Got a sunburn, but everybody else is pretty much crashing out. So tomorrow, Universal Studios. So see how that goes. Catch you guys later. Good night. Love you.